Hi, boys and girls. You are going to choose a how-to book today on getepic.com. You're going to read about something that you like, and you're going to tell your friends how to do it. So the book you see on the screen, How to Raise a Mom, is a how-to book that you can choose on getepic.com. You don't have to choose this book, but if you like to, you can. You remember how to write a how-to from back in the winter when we did the activity where we read some books about how to, and then we wrote how-tos and we shared it with our friends. So you're going to do that exact same thing today, and you're going to write about what you read and post it on the discussion board. Tell your friends all about how to do something. If I were going to write a how-to book, I would say how to teach a third grade class. So I can't wait to hear your discussion board post. Have fun.